Look, this is an incredibly capable bike for what it is. This used to be one of my favourite stops to pull off on the motorised bikes. I'd lean them up against this tree and have a chat. This is all plantation property. Last time I came up here, this fence wasn't here, but it looks like it's been here for a short while. Probably been a couple of years since I've come down this road. I wouldn't take the CB125F in there at any rate because, yeah, come on, you really do need knobblies down those tracks. But I just felt like doing a bit of slow speed gravel today. Yeah. The GoPro's not going to show it, but this hill is real steep. Poor wombat. He wasn't sunbaking. I have not come up this road since I crashed this bike about 2 years ago. And I've been a little bit overcautious of it. And I can tell you right now, this surface is so soft. It's been graded. I'm not happy. I'm not happy, actually. I've got to slow right down. Oh. Look, I just haven't done that much gravel since I crashed. You know what? I used to be familiar with this road, but the way that this has been graded, the road surface is completely different. So I can't ride this like it's a road where I expect to know every turn. I used to ride this road a lot especially on the motorised bikes. I used to love coming up here because it was out of the way and I could really sort of open them up a bit. Doing much the speed that I am doing right now, funnily enough, only on mountain bike tyres. Slow and steady. This is super soft surface. Gee whiz. Am I even going to make it up here? I feel like, oh no. This looks soft. I can tell that it is soft. Let's just commit. Whew, I'm not too happy about this. This road used to be, it was in pretty poor condition, but it used to be pretty much all hard pack. And this is just soft. It's soft and loose, and it's exactly the sort of surface that I come unstuck on the first time around. I've done this before on this bike, but just looking at this, I don't think I'm going to get back up here. Not on road tyres anyway. Yeah, nah, there is no way. I've parked the bike down by here. Oh, they took the slide away. I've parked the bike down here before, right here in fact. I might still have a photo of that. There is no way that I can get back up these hills with the surface in this condition. And that's why I decided just to get off and have a walk down. If it was firm and hard packed, yeah, I'd give it a go, but it looks like someone's been having some well-deserved fun. Look, if I had knobbly tyres, no worries. But I've come to respect the limitations of my skinny road tyres, which, to be fair, they do an impeccable job for what they are. Look, this is an incredibly capable bike for what it is. Whoa. This is just, I know the GoPro never does it justice, but it's loose, dusty, and rocky. Jesus. I need to get off and have a stretch, to be honest. Oh my God. Once upon a time, this siding marked the furthest point I'd ever ridden on one of my motorised bikes. And that was an achievement, because the challenge of those motorised bikes was whether or not they would even make it up this hill without having to get up and walk. So that's somewhere between, I think, 16 and 17 kilometres from home, which is a fair hike on a motorised bike. I just decided that I needed to get off and walk for a bit because my legs are sore. I've probably let my nerves get the better of me along this road, but it was only a few hundred metres down this road where I fell off last time. And I have not been up this road since, so I think the nerves are getting the better of me here. Let's push on. I was a little bit nervous about riding up here considering the state of the cylinder head, but I'm not going to know if it's working unless I actually ride it. It looks like they haven't graded this side of the bridge. Because this looks exactly how I remember it. The worst thing that happen, bugs in the eyes while you're riding. Well, I mean, it's a bit of a misnomer, but if I wasn't riding with the visor open, I'd be safe from bugs, but I've been a bit lazy with cleaning my visor off at the moment, so it's a little bit streaky. Oof. And it's just easier to read the gravel without some fuzzy piece of plastic in the way. I may be mistaken, but I think I passed where I came off last time. It's been 2 years, not like we're expecting to see track marks. I smell smoke. But I seem to remember riding this section. Yeah, I've definitely passed where it was. Well, how do you like that?